Ready to dive into the exciting world of YouTube? It's easier than you think. Whether you're sharing your grandma's secret cookie recipe or showing off your stamp collection, YouTube is your stage. Don't be scared. It's all about having fun and connecting with people. Think of YouTube as a giant video scrapbook. You get to share your passions with the world. And guess what? Age is just a number. You're never too old to learn something new and share it with others. So let's do this. Get ready to hit that record button and unleash your inner star. Trust me, you've got this. Let's get started. First things first, you need a Google account. Think of it as your backstage pass to YouTube. Don't worry, it's super easy to set up. Just head over to google.com and click on Sign In. Then, click Create Account. You'll need to enter some basic info like your name, birthday, and email address. Choose a strong password that you'll remember. Maybe write it down somewhere safe. Once you've filled everything out, boom! You're officially part of the Google family. Now you can access all sorts of cool Google stuff, including YouTube. Let's move on to the fun part, creating your very own channel. Okay, now for the exciting part, building your YouTube home. This is where your journey begins, and it's going to be a thrilling ride. Imagine the possibilities, the content you'll create, and the audience you'll reach. It's all about making your mark in the vast world of YouTube. Head over to youtube.com and sign in with your shiny new Google account. If you don't have one yet, creating a Google account is super easy and quick. Just follow the prompts, and you'll be ready to dive into the YouTube universe in no time. See that little camera icon in the top right corner? That's your ticket to YouTube stardom. It's like the gateway to your creative world. Clicking on it opens up a realm of possibilities where you can start sharing your unique voice and vision with the world. Click it and select Create a Channel. This is your first step towards establishing your presence. Think of it as setting up your own little corner on the internet where you can express yourself freely and connect with like-minded individuals. Now it's time to get creative. Choose a catchy channel name that reflects you or your content. Think of it as your YouTube brand. Your channel name is the first thing people will notice, so make it memorable and relevant to what you plan to share. Jot down some ideas, brainstorm with friends, and pick the one that resonates the most with your vision. Next, upload a profile picture. Show off your smiling face or maybe a cool logo you designed. Your profile picture is like your digital handshake. It gives viewers a glimpse of who you are. Whether it's a professional headshot, a fun selfie, or a custom logo, make sure it represents you well. And don't forget the banner image. It's like the backdrop of your channel. Make it eye-catching and inviting. Your banner sets the tone for your channel and gives visitors a sense of what to expect. Use vibrant colors, engaging graphics, and maybe even a tagline that captures the essence of your content. Great job! You're well on your way to becoming a YouTube pro. Take a moment to celebrate this milestone. You've just laid the foundation for your channel, and that's a big deal. Every great YouTuber started right where you are now, so give yourself a pat on the back. Let's tweak some settings to make your channel even more awesome. Dive into the settings menu and explore the various options available. Customize your channel layout, add links to your social media profiles, and write a compelling channel description. These small details can make a big difference in how your channel is perceived by viewers. Don't forget to check out the analytics section. This is where you can track your channel's performance, understand your audience better, and make informed decisions about your content strategy. Keep an eye on metrics like views, watch time, and subscriber growth to see what's working and what needs improvement. Engaging with your audience is key. Respond to comments, ask for feedback, and build a community around your channel. Your viewers are your biggest supporters, and interacting with them can create a loyal fan base. Plus, it's a great way to get ideas for future content and understand what your audience loves. Plan your content ahead of time. Having a content calendar can help you stay organized and consistent. Jot down video ideas, schedule filming and editing days, and set deadlines for yourself. Consistency is crucial on YouTube, and a well-planned content calendar can keep you on track. Now it's time to start creating. Set up your camera, adjust your lighting, and hit record. Don't worry about being perfect. Just be yourself and have fun with it. Your authenticity will shine through, and that's what viewers connect with the most. After filming, it's time to edit your video. Use editing software to trim any unnecessary parts, add effects, and make your video visually appealing. Editing can be a creative process in itself, so experiment with different styles and techniques until you find what works best for you. Once your video is ready, upload it to YouTube. Add a catchy title, a detailed description, and relevant tags to help your video get discovered. Don't forget to create an eye-catching thumbnail. It's the first thing viewers will see, so make it count. Promote your video on social media and other platforms. Share it with your friends, family, and followers to get those initial views and engagement. The more you promote your content, the more visibility it will get. Congratulations! You've just taken the first steps towards building your YouTube channel. Remember, success doesn't happen overnight, but with dedication, creativity, and a bit of patience, you'll see your channel grow. Keep learning, keep experimenting, and most importantly, keep having fun. Welcome to the YouTube community. Think of your channel settings as the control panel for your YouTube spaceship. Just like a spaceship needs precise controls to navigate through the vast expanse of space, your YouTube channel needs fine-tuning to stand out in the crowded universe of content creators. This is where you get to customize things and make your channel uniquely yours. From the layout to the color scheme, every detail can reflect your personal brand and style. It's like decorating your own digital home. Click on the little gear icon on your channel page to access the settings. This icon is your gateway to a world of customization options that can help you optimize your channel for success. First up, write a killer channel description. This is your chance to tell your story and let viewers know what they can expect from your channel. Think of it as your elevator pitch, concise, engaging, and informative. Tell people what you're all about and what kind of videos they can expect. Are you a tech enthusiast sharing the latest gadget reviews? A beauty guru offering makeup tutorials? Or perhaps a travel vlogger taking viewers on adventures around the world? Whatever your niche, make it clear in your description. Add some links to your website or social media so viewers can connect with you on other platforms. This not only helps build your online presence, but also allows your audience to engage with you in different ways. Whether it's through Instagram, Twitter, or your personal blog, these links can drive traffic and grow your community. And don't forget to include contact info for business inquiries. You never know, you might become a YouTube sensation. Brands and potential collaborators need a way to reach you, and having your contact information readily available can open doors to exciting opportunities. Once you're happy with your settings, give yourself a pat on the back. You've put in the effort to make your channel the best it can be, and that's something to be proud of. You've officially created your very own YouTube channel. This is just the beginning of your journey as a content creator. With your channel set up and ready to go, you're now prepared to share your passion with the world. Now, let's talk about creating your first video. This is where the magic happens. Your first video is your introduction to the YouTube community, so make it count. Plan your content, set up your equipment, and get ready to hit that record button. Remember, every great YouTuber started with their first video, and this is your moment to shine. Start by brainstorming ideas for your first video. What topic are you passionate about? What do you want to share with your audience? Once you have a clear idea, write a script or outline to keep your thoughts organized. Good preparation can make a huge difference in the quality of your video. Next, set up your equipment. Make sure your camera is positioned correctly, your lighting is good, and your microphone is working properly. These technical details can greatly impact the overall production value of your video. When you're ready, start recording. Speak confidently and show enthusiasm for your topic. Your energy and passion will resonate with viewers and keep them engaged. Don't worry about being perfect. Authenticity is key. After recording, it's time to edit your video. Use editing software to cut out any mistakes, add effects, and create a polished final product. Editing can be time-consuming, but it's worth it to produce a high-quality video that you're proud to share. Finally, upload your video to YouTube. Add a catchy title, a detailed description, and a custom thumbnail to attract viewers. These elements are crucial for making a strong first impression and encouraging people to click on your video. Share your video on social media and engage with your audience in the comments. Celebrate your first upload and take pride in your accomplishment. You've taken the first step in your YouTube journey, and there's so much more to come. As you continue to create and upload videos, keep an eye on your channel's analytics. Use the data to understand what works and what doesn't, and set goals for your channel's growth. With dedication and creativity, you'll continue to improve and build a loyal audience. Remember, every successful YouTuber started where you are now. Stay motivated, keep learning, and enjoy the process. Your YouTube journey is just beginning, and the possibilities are endless. So get out there and start creating. Your audience is waiting to see what you have to offer. Good luck and happy YouTubing. Your first video. Planning is key. All right, time to unleash your inner Spielberg. But before you grab your camera, let's plan out your first video masterpiece. What are you passionate about? What do you want to share with the world? Choose a topic that excites you. It could be anything from gardening tips to travel stories to your favorite hobby. Once you have a topic, jot down some key points you want to cover. This will help you stay on track while filming. Remember, your first video doesn't have to be perfect. Just be yourself, have fun, and let your personality shine through. Now let's get ready to film. Lights, camera, action filming tips. Welcome to the ultimate guide to making your filming experience smooth and professional. Whether you're a seasoned filmmaker or just starting out, these tips will help you elevate your game. Okay, superstar, time to hit that record button. But before you do, let's make sure everything is set up perfectly. But first, let's make sure you look and sound your best. Your appearance and audio quality can make a huge difference in how your audience perceives your content. Find a well-lit spot to film. Lighting is one of the most crucial elements in filming. It can set the mood, highlight important details, and make your video look more professional. Natural light is always best, so try filming near a window. The soft, diffused light from a window can create a flattering look and reduce harsh shadows. If you're using artificial light, make sure it's not too harsh. Softbox lights and ring lights are great options to create even, diffused lighting that mimics natural light. Pay attention to your audio too. Clear audio is just as important as good lighting. Poor audio quality can turn viewers away, no matter how good your visuals are. Background noise can be distracting, so try to film in a quiet place. Close windows and doors, and turn off any noisy appliances to minimize interruptions. If you can, use an external microphone for clearer sound. Lavalier microphones, shotgun mics, or even a good USB microphone can significantly improve your audio quality. And most importantly, speak clearly and confidently. Your voice is your primary tool for communicating with your audience, so practice speaking in front of a mirror if needed. Don't be afraid to experiment with different camera angles and shots. Different angles can add variety and interest to your video, making it more engaging for viewers. And remember, it's okay to make mistakes. Filming is a learning process, and even the best filmmakers have their off days. Even the pros mess up sometimes. Bloopers and behind-the-scenes moments can add a personal touch to your content and show your audience that you're human too. Now, let's move on to the editing room. Editing is where the magic happens. It's your chance to refine your footage, add effects, and create a polished final product. Stay tuned for our next chapter on editing tips and tricks to make your videos shine. Editing magic, polishing your masterpiece. Congratulations on filming your first video. Now it's time to add some editing magic. Don't worry, you don't need fancy software or Hollywood-level skills. There are plenty of user-friendly video editing apps out there. iMovie and Windows Movie Maker are great options for beginners. They're free and easy to use. You can trim your footage, add transitions, and even incorporate music and text. Just play around with the different features and see what you can create. Remember, editing is all about enhancing your video and making it more engaging for your viewers. Have fun with it. Consistency is king. Keep them coming back. You've poured your heart and soul into creating awesome content. Now it's time to get it out there. Upload your video to your channel and watch the views roll in. But don't stop there. Consistency is key on YouTube. Try to upload new videos regularly, whether it's once a week, twice a month, or whatever works for you. The more consistent you are, the more likely people are to subscribe to your channel and become loyal viewers. Think of it like watering a plant. The more you nourish it, the more it will grow. So keep creating amazing content and watch your YouTube channel blossom. You got this. Embrace the journey. Congratulations, my friend. You've officially embarked on your YouTube adventure. Remember, the most important thing is to have fun and be yourself. Don't be afraid to experiment, make mistakes, and learn as you go. The YouTube community is vast and welcoming. Connect with other creators, share your videos, and engage with your viewers. You never know what amazing opportunities await you in the world of YouTube. So go out there, create some awesome content, and show the world what you've got. And remember, I'm always rooting for you. Crush it!